Well, it looks like we have a little bit of an injury update or a timeline update for Christian Craig, who obviously is coming off of his 4th elbow surgery. That's right, 4th. You think 1 or 2 should probably fix it, 3 definitely, 4 is a little ridiculous. But he said on his Instagram, quote, "Surgery number 4 on the elbow. Thought we were in the clear, but found out my pain since Supercross started was my elbow popping in and out constantly while riding. Nothing broke, just need to add some stabilization. We got in stable finally, and will be good in a few weeks. My goal is to be 100% ready for outdoors. Appreciate everyone that supports me. Far from done." Now, this is awesome, or at least good. Let's put it that way. I mean, you gotta say, you hope that the the 4th surgery fixes it. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, definitely should have. But if he's been dealing with pain the whole time, obviously this Supercross season hadn't gone well for him even before the injury or before this surgery. But I mean, if he's right and your elbow's popping in and out while you're riding, obviously you're not going to be riding well. You're not going to be riding fast or always in pain. It's going to change how you're doing things. So hopefully this fixes everything. He gets back on the bike. He's got plenty of time to fully recover, get all of his, cardio back or whatever. I'm assuming he's still been doing cardio, but you know what I mean? Getting race pace cardio. Get ready for outdoors, do some testing, and be just set. Because getting this factory ride, after all the years he spent in the 250s, filling in rides for 450 guys and blah, 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 finally winning his title, and now getting this, like, you want to prove that you earned it or you deserve it. I don't know how you want to call it. And Husky probably kind of needs it too, to be honest. This Supercross season has not been good for them, at least in the 450 side. RJ Hampshire's been doing okay, but I don't know. I personally like Christian Craig, so call me biased, whatever, but I really do hope that this fixes it. He comes back for outdoors and he is competitive. Not top 15, not top 10, but like top 5 podium kind of. I think that'd be great, especially with how outdoors goes now. Who knows how many people aren't going to be racing it? Like, is Tomac out, is Roxon out, all these guys. If you can do well in outdoors, you're kind of getting a little bit of a bump because who's not racing. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. 1, how well do you think he does in outdoors? Who are you excited to see in outdoors? Are you going to any of the races? I'm going to Foxborough hopefully on Saturday as I'm filming this, so we'll see how that goes. And I don't know, just tell me what you think of the season so far. You glad who's winning? Who do you think wins the 250, the 450, whatever it is? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.